Hello everyone, welcome to Wealthy Wisdom Channel. In this video, we will talk about real estate training for new agents. If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe. Deciding to get into the real estate business is a big decision. You need to have the right personality for the job. But you also need to be willing to put in the hard work required to succeed. If you're thinking about getting into the business, you're in the right place. In this video, I will share with you some of the most important things that you need to know to be successful as a new agent. So whether you're just starting or are already in the industry but feeling lost, make sure to stick around until the end of this video. The first thing you have to know is to learn about the different real estate types. This is important because it helps agents understand the marketplace and know what properties are available. There are four main types of real estate: residential, commercial, industrial, and land. Residential real estate includes single-family homes, duplexes, and apartments. Commercial real estate includes office buildings, retail stores, and warehouses. Industrial real estate includes factories and manufacturing plants. And land includes vacant land, farmland, and timberland. Real estate training covers the characteristics of each type of property and help agents understand how to market and sell them. By understanding the different real estate types, agents can better serve their clients and find the right property for their needs. Second, understand the legal process of buying and selling a home. As a real estate agent, you must have a thorough understanding of the legal process of buying and selling a home. This knowledge will help you serve your clients better and prevent any potential legal problems. There are a few key things that you should know about the legal process of buying and selling a home. First, you need to be familiar with the contract of sale. This document outlines the terms of the deal, including the price, closing date, and any special conditions. You should also be familiar with the property disclosure statement, which must be provided to the buyer by the seller. This document contains important information about the property, such as known defects or hazards. Finally, you should know how to handle earnest money deposits. Earnest money is a deposit made by the buyer to show their good faith in buying the property. The earnest money is typically refunded to the buyer if the deal falls through. However, the earnest money is applied toward the home's purchase price if the deal goes through. Understanding these fundamental legal aspects of buying and selling a home will help you serve clients better and prevent any potential legal problems. The third, get to know your local market. As a new real estate agent, one of the best things you can do is get to know your local market. This includes learning about the different neighborhoods, understanding the type of housing in demand, and being aware of any trends that may affect the market. By becoming an expert on your local market, you will be better able to serve your clients and find the properties that best meet their needs. Additionally, familiarity with your market will help you price and market properties more effectively. So if you're looking to give yourself a leg up in the real estate business, take the time to get to know your local market inside and out. Fourth, familiarize yourself with mortgage terms. One of the most important things you will learn during real estate training for new agents is familiarizing yourself with mortgage terms. It is essential to understand the different types of mortgages available and the process of obtaining a mortgage. There are many different types of mortgages, including fixed-rate mortgages, adjustable-rate mortgages, and FHA loans. Each type of mortgage has its advantages and disadvantages, so it is essential to consult with a mortgage broker to determine which type of loan is best for you. Applying for a mortgage can be complicated, so it is also essential to have a clear understanding of all the steps involved. Once you have completed your real estate training and are familiar with all the necessary information, you will be well on your way to a successful career in real estate. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you like this video. The fifth, develop negotiation skills. One essential skill that all new real estate agents must develop is the ability to negotiate. After all, much of the work in real estate revolves around agreeing with buyers and sellers. To be successful, agents need to be able to sit down at the negotiating table and reach a mutually beneficial agreement. This can often be a challenge, as both parties will have their own needs and wants. However, with the right negotiation skills, agents can find common ground and come to an agreement that everyone is happy with. Developing these skills takes time and practice, but it is well worth the effort for any agent who wants to succeed in the industry. The sixth, learn how to market yourself and your listings. Marketing is a critical part of being a successful real estate agent. It's how you get your name and your listings out there, and how you attract potential buyers and sellers. Many new agents mistakenly believe that they can just put up a few signs and post some listings online, which will be sufficient. But the truth is that marketing takes a lot of work and requires a strategic approach. The good news is that most real estate training programs for new agents include some instruction on marketing. So if you're just getting started in the business, be sure to take advantage of this learning opportunity. It could make all the difference in your success as an agent. The seventh, understand the role of technology in real estate. Today, technology is a vital part of the real estate industry. From search engines that help buyers find their dream home, to listing websites that showcase properties to interested buyers, technology has transformed the way buyers and sellers connect. Real estate training for new agents helps you understand the role of technology in real estate. As a result, agents need to be well-versed in the latest technological advancements. Real estate training for new agents will teach you how to use technology to your advantage, helping you close more deals and earn more commission. By understanding the role of technology in real estate, you'll be able to serve your clients better and stay ahead of the competition. Finally, stay up to date on industry news. Real estate training for new agents is vital for anyone who wants to be in the industry. It helps with the technical aspects of being an agent and staying up to date on industry news. The real estate market is always changing, and new laws and regulations are constantly being implemented. By keeping up with the latest industry news, agents can ensure that they are always compliant with the law and provide their clients with the best possible service. In addition, staying informed about changes in the market can help agents make better decisions when buying or selling property. Ultimately, real estate training for new agents that includes staying up to date on industry news is essential for anyone who wants to be a successful agent. If you want to be a successful real estate agent, it is crucial that you know and understand the basics of the industry. We have covered in this post just some of the basic information that you will need to know as an agent. There is a lot more to learn, but these are great places to start. Be sure to continue educating yourself on all aspects of the business to provide the best possible service to your clients. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to this channel, and comment below. Thank you and goodbye.